Last week. I could.
2 times a day.
Now to take it down to the grave, chat. Yeah, boys, make sure y'all tap in, dog. Lock the fucking chat. We're watching Tira again. Tino. Telling our deepest, darkest secrets. Let's hear what the boys have to reveal in it. Lock in, chat.
Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're telling our deepest, darkest secrets.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know Tira's bros, gang. My deepest, darkest secrets I would like to hear, brother.
In school, it can be anywhere, it can be at home, at night, I don't know.
Yeah. He's busy pressing niggas. Who's going first? No, buddy. Kalawe, no.
In grade 10, I was chilling in history class.
Mm-hmm.
I had a pee, so I couldn't hold it. I pissed myself.
Try, that's what, bro, I'm seeing tomorrow. I'm reminding you about that one, boy. Except I'm making sure to remind him about that one. Chai. Grade 10 for those brewers. Can't leak a bra's fucking age, but like grade 10 for those bro, I think probably like 2-3 years ago, chief. So, hey man, that's recent news to me. That's a grown man peeing his pants, boys. Chai.
All night. So there was I was looking outside there. So the church is crying, you know what I'm saying? And your boy is blue going, you know what I'm saying? I told him to the pastor's office. And she gave me his in the pastor's office.
Chai. That's the type I keep to my grave, boy. Marana, what's my deepest, darkest secret, chat? My deepest, darkest secret? Nah. I can't say it on camp. I don't even think I have one, bro, because what are you doing that's out of foul like that? Peter was one pissing in pants or taken to the grave. This brew, as a brew, Tino, we appreciate that. Tino, like, we glaze the nigga for chowing, so it's the society we live in, but that's the fact. Him chowing the pastor's office, as fucked up as it is to him, it's alright. Niggas have chowed in worse places, dog. It's damn far God. Yeah, chai, I choose.
So you actually sinned in church. You sinned. Against God. Pastor's office, bro. Deepest, darkest secret.
Last week, I choose last week. This was posted. Nah, bro, we parked watching I choose. We getting you. I don't even know this nigga, but I'm gonna know his deepest, darkest secret because he put that shit out there in the net, gang. Last week. So that would have been 27 5th. That would have been like when I was even on leave still. So something like 20, yeah.
Secret. Deepest, darkest secret.
Last week. I could.
2 times a day.
Stop it.
Now to take it down to the grave, chat. All the bros are good. I would have taken that one to the grave. Ain't no way you getting that one out of me, boys. Just like that. Nah, not on cam, papa. Not on cam, papa. Except me, I have a hand. Me, I'm sitting chilling. I don't need to be doing that. No duzu. Mara, you probably could. Aguna will never tell you that shit, bro. He's probably lying. Because except my nigga, what the fuck? Now I know that bro goons, dog. Why niggas push shit on the net like this, dog? Did they shoot this during break? Yeah, they shot this during break, bro. You can hear good quality. If I increase the volume, it's gonna be loud on my shit. But let me let you hear.
Get some.
You tough. It's like I said, they shot this during break, my nigga. There's no time to play here, bro. The boys are locked in. Dog. During break, me, I was busy a hustler. What were you doing break, chat? After school, my nigga, you're curious to know. Nah, shoes out of top, bro. Shh. On that one, gang. I don't need to know when it was. But what if it was before school, dog? A toilet. Before I nigga touched my hand, now I would have had to fight. Boy, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm throwing hands, dog. If I ever find that out, my boys did that shit to me, I'm throwing hands, boy. No way he's gay.
I think it was Saturday, Sunday, I don't know.
He knows exactly what he did, guy.
I was winning. Bro, my Jesus.
Nah, but you know what's crazy, chat? He puts the shit on the net and he doesn't even say I gooned. 2 times, buddy. Nah. Lock him up, dog. He said, put that bro on your watch list, boy. 2 times. Beat your shit in a day. Nah. Lock that bro up, chat. Lock. Tira. I must text Tira to lock this bro up, gang.
Okay, let me show you. See, in grade 9. I was in grade 9. When is the morning? Go to school, but my stomach was my stomach was.
What did the bra say?
When is the morning? Go to school, but my stomach was. I gotta do that.
What did he say, bro? What did he say, dog? I can't hear what he said, Joe. Now the boys reacting like us, it could have been crazy, guy.
Here's my deepest open secret chat. My deepest open secret. Back in grade 10, 2024, I think.
Grade 10, 2024, dog. I was doing my trick, boy. Shit, that's how you realize it's like dollar, chat. We can't be doing this no more, dog. We could. We shit in the platform and niggas were grade 10, dog. Shit, man.
I wanted to take a shit. There was no toilet paper. In school. There was no toilet paper. In school. Yes.
Yo, Abo, I choose. What do you think when I talk?
This was during period time. So I was walking. So I looked for two paper on the floor. Oh, classical. I couldn't find shit. No, I couldn't find shit. I had my bag on me. I went inside the toilet. Open my book. Rah! Sit on that shit. I went like this.
Nah, but Eskela, you see, the problem I have with that deepest, darkest secret is taking the shit, Eskela. I choose. What are we doing, boy? I swear, my school, I don't know if it was my school, but back in my days, damn. Back in my days, there would never be such a thing, boy. If a bro was shooting, I remember one time, a primary, a bro was shooting, they opened the door, gang. Oh, they opened the door. Nah. That's what I knew. I'm never doing that. And I never did, posing. Even now, it's fun. It's hard to take a shit, my nigga. I'm going to be honest with you, Joe. I think for me, due to how Spanish is, how my workplace is at, nah, I prefer not taking a shit there, honestly. But yeah, W video chat. W video chat. We could take a recess day, boys. We could take a recess day. We have, let me comment on the broom, dog. Y'all could never get me to say mine. Get me to say mine. I don't know, how would it take, chat? Oh, I don't even have. The problem is that I don't even have one, dog. I don't indulge it deeper to say, hey, bro, deepest, darker secrets. Why am I in the dark, boy? They say what happens in the dark comes to light, like for these bros. But hey, W video, make sure you follow the bra. Tira as I choose. Make sure you tap into the stream as well. Tango, we can move on to the next chat.